This is an introduction to the Staging Files Generator, SFG. The main functionality of this solution is to create SPF data model and templates to import and export data. SFG starts by connecting to SPF database to bring all staging data locally. These tabs are used to configure SPF data model. This button will create the model XML files and Excel templates. Files and templates have been generated. The next functionality of SFG is to convert files from engineering format to SPF format. We will use these three files to demonstrate the conversion process. Starting at the Mapping tab, we must list the input file name on tab where the data reside. The mapping is accomplished by aligning the input file column headers with SPF attributes listed in the first row. This button will take the data from the input file and save it in the SPF Excel template. SFG will highlight only column headers found in input files, indicating that mapping was successful. The resulting Excel import file will contain two sheets. The first sheet highlights required fields for each tag per client requirements. It will also set the IM flags. Last but not least, it will count the required fields to calculate data population progress per tag. The second sheet of the resulting Excel import file will contain a comparison between the data to be loaded and data already in the database. Red cells here show the tags are not in the database yet. The Progress tab contains a summary of data population progress for all processed files. To calculate the percentage complete, SFG counts the total number of tags, then determine which ones are valid. Next, it will count the number of required attributes, then count the number of populated required attributes. The last functionality of SFG is to create relationship XML files. In this tab we list files that contain tags in the first column and document numbers in the second column. This button will create relationship XML files. By design, both tag and document have to exist in SPF database in order for a relationship to be created. Loading the data model, tags, documents, and relationships. Loading model files into SPF. Now we have all XML model file generated by SFG. We can log in to SPF desktop client and load them. The green check marks indicate that loading was successful. Once we have the model loaded, we can load data into SPF database. The data can be loaded in XML format as shown here for enhanced performance. Here, we are loading a list of documents in Excel format, which is another method to load data into SPF database.